Fractions in both equations, variables in the denominator. Looks messy, but there's one substitution that makes this system collapse into a clean answer. Here's exactly how. Here are the two equations. 12 over x minus 4 over y equals 2, that's equation 1. 3 over x minus 2 over y equals 0, that's equation 2. So let's take the equation 2 and multiply the entire equation by 2. Watch how this multiplies out. We multiply every term by 2. 3 over x times 2 minus 2 over y times 2 equals 0 times 2. That gives us 6 over x minus 4 over y equals 0. That's equation 3. Beautiful. Now we have equation 3 which matches equation 1 perfectly at the y term. Now for the fun part, elimination. We are going to subtract equation 3 from equation 1. Let's set it up clearly. Equation 1 minus 3. Let's write both equations together. We use brackets for the third equation because of the negative sign. Let's group our terms. Notice what happens to the y terms. Minus 4 over y minus a negative 4 over y which cancel out completely. That leaves us with just the x terms on the left side. 12 over x minus 6 over x equals 2. Because the denominators are the same, we can just subtract the numerators directly. 12 minus 6 all over x equals 2, which simplifies to 6 over x equals 2. To get x out of the denominator, let's multiply both sides by x. 6 equals 2x. Divide both sides by 2. 6 over 2 equals 2x over 2. X equals 3. We have our first answer, x equals 3. Let's substitute x equals 3 to find second equation. As a reminder, equation 2 is 3 over x minus 2 over y equals 0. Plugging our value for x, we get 3 over 3 minus 2 over y equals 0. We know that 3 over 3 is simply 1, so 1 minus 2 over y equals 0. Let's move the minus 2 over y to the other side to make it positive. 1 equals 2 over y. Multiply both sides by y to finish it off. We get y equals 2. And there you have it. Our final coordinates of the section are x equals 3 and y equals 2. If you enjoyed breaking this problem step by step, make sure to smash that like button and leave a comment if you have a different method you prefer. Don't forget to subscribe to Mathscribe for more crystal clear math tutorials. PDF link is in the description. See you in the next video.